Hey lovely crafters, it's Twist and Blossom time. Today we're making a cute crocheted iPhone pocket, so grab your yarn and let's get started. Let's prepare our tools. First, make a slip knot. Then make 71 chains. Keep your chains a bit looser, so your hook can slide in more easily as you work. After finishing 71 chains, we'll start working single crochet into the back bumps of each chain. Skip the first stitch, then make one single crochet in every chain. You should have a total of 70 stitches. After finishing the 70 single crochets, make one chain, then turn your work. Next, we're going to make single crochets in the back loops only. Repeat the same steps for rows 3 through 18. You can adjust the size to fit your phone. After finishing, just add or reduce the number of rows as needed, then fasten off and cut the yarn. We're going to make 2 identical panels for this iPhone pocket. In this part, we're going to join the pieces. Count 40 stitches, then start connecting them. Prepare your yarn and a tapestry needle, then sew the sides together. Follow the steps carefully. Do the same on the opposite side. Now for the top part, sew across 5 stitches. Do the same on the opposite side. Fold the top section into this position. Now sew the top part of the bag. And now, sew the bottom part as well. Once everything is sewn, turn the bag inside out to reveal the right side. And that's it. Your crochet iPhone pocket is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next project.